Hello Moverbase users, today we are here with another video to show you how to import photos into your file-based documents. It's an easy process, so let's get right into it. In order to get started, we will go to our Setup button and Files. Here we will see all of the files that are uploaded onto our file-based system. We will click on the file that we need and go to the left-hand side to Images. Alright, and on the top we'll see the Select Image box and Upload Images. Now if you want to upload an image, you'll create an image space and click on Upload Image, choose your image and open. Now if you'd like to resize your image, you can do that with our preset resize tools and alignment tools, and you can align it however you would like in the document. In order to see all the photos that we have uploaded, we are going to need to save our work, exit the document, and go to Images. And here you will see all of the images that have been uploaded for documents. If you click on an image, you can then remove the image from this setting. If you are interested in adding more photos to your documents, you can go back to the document, to your image tool. You can upload another image, open it up, and align your photo properly. Once you have uploaded your photos onto the file-based system, the file-based system has a lot of different key shortcuts. So we can actually move all of the data all at once, the photos and the data together into a separate doc or just moved on the page. You can copy photos onto another document as shown here. And you can move that around and manipulate it however you like. We will have a list of shortcuts on the bottom of this page. As you can see, uploading photos to Filebase is a very simple and easy process. We hope you enjoyed this video. We hope it was helpful for you as you upload your photos and your documents onto Filebase. We are very excited to share this new function with you. And if you have any questions, please contact support. We hope you have a great rest of your day, and thanks for watching.